Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The Project Screener template is a tool that's often used in Six Sigma and manufacturing to understand whether a project should be funded and undertaken. It's a template that a lot of leaders and project sponsors use to ask questions to validate the viability of a project. So the questions can focus on what's the goal of the project. So what's the overarching objective that you're trying to achieve? What are you measuring? And how do you quantify that result that you're trying to achieve? And then do you have a baseline currently in place to know where we're starting today? And then a target in terms of what will success look like? You also want to make sure you understand the time frame in which you're trying to achieve this project. Is it next week or next year? It can make a difference in terms of the level of resources that might be required or commitment from the organization. Overall, those are the key big questions to ask. Of course, you can get more detailed around budgeting, around resource allocation, and more. But the Project Screener template, whatever the criteria is you decide to use, you should use across all your projects to create consistency in how you evaluate your projects and fund them. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.